In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Good morning, my dear students. Today we will start a new journey at Science World. Be ready for your new journey. Our topic today will be about how do we measure light intensity. Our objectives. First one, what is the meaning of light intensity? Second one, why we need to measure light intensity. Third one, how do we measure light intensity? The meaning of light intensity, it refers to the strength or amount of light produced by a specific light source. Again, refers to the strength or amount of light produced by a specific light source. That means you can see at your home the light at bathroom, not like your kitchen, not like your rooms or big hall. At the big halls you need more light sources to have more light, to have your place or the place you are sitting inside more lighting. Measuring light intensity is important when designing rooms, light, or preparing for a photograph. The term intensity is used in different ways, so take a moment to learn what units and measuring methods match your goals. Professional photographers and lighting installers usually use a digital meter or some instruments or devices to know the light intensity. Now we are going to speak about measuring device. What device we can use to measure light intensity? Here, as you can see in this picture, this is a data logger. This tool or this device called a data logger with light sensor. Here is the light sensor which can check the light intensity, and the device here will write the amount of intensity of light. With light sensor, also called lux meter. So here the name of it, data logger or lux meter, is used to measure the light intensity or the intensity of light. The measuring unit which we can use is lux. If I asked you, how old are you? You will tell me, I am 9 years old, 10 years old. Anyway, you said years old. This is the unit of your age. Now, if I asked you, how tall are you? You will say 1.5 meter. This is the unit of tall. Okay. Now the unit of measuring unit for intensity of light is lux, and the name of device is lux meter or data logger. Different light sources have a different intensity of light. As you can see here, this is a torch and this is a lamp at your home. Now you can see there is a difference between them at light intensity. How can we know that? We can know by using lux meter to measure the light intensity at your room or at any place. Different materials also have different light intensity. You have at your home different type of materials. Each material has different light intensity. As you can see, as this picture, the fluorescent tubes are light sources. Here the lux meter is the device which I can use to measure light intensity. Here, incubator, newspaper, laminar flow hood, covered it with dark cloth. Tray, aluminum fuel. Each material has a different light intensity. Our conclusion, that is, sources of light affects light intensity. So the light from the sun is different from the light from candle, or light from fire, or light from your car, or light from light sources at your home. Increasing number of fluorescent tubes increasing the light at your home. If you have one fluorescent tube or one lamp inside your room, will that be the same like you have 4 fluorescent tubes at your room? Of course not. The light intensity increase meaning become more light with increasing number of fluorescent tubes. Light intensity outside is greatest. If you go outside at your day, the sunlight give a lot of light. The sun give a lot of light, so it will be more. And the last thing, aluminum foil, you can check it at your home, at your kitchen. You can ask your mom to help you. Aluminum foil is more effective to prevent light from passing through because it is more opaque. Aluminum foil is opaque material, doesn't allow light to pass through. Your homework will be a worksheet attached with this video. At the end of our lesson today, thank you for listening. Have a nice day, my dear students. With my best wishes, your teacher Muhammad Ismail.